There are a number of security pitfalls that await the unwary embedded system designer. If your system uses any of the following, then you probably have fallen into one of these common security pitfalls. If your system uses a master password that is the same across multiple units that you produce, then your system is insecure. If you use homemade cryptography instead of a standard algorithm, then it is very likely that your system is insecure. If you use encryption to ensure integrity instead of using a secure hash or digital signature, then it is easy for you to have some sort of security problem. If you make unrealistic security assumptions, such as assuming that users will pick strong passwords, then you might have a security problem. And finally, if your design hinges upon the idea of security via obscurity, then you're not really secure. As a simple example of the kind of thing that goes wrong, if you have a secret master password and only tell it to trusted colleagues, then eventually, most likely, it will get loose. Consider the sequence up, up, down, down, left, right, BA, which was originally a secret way to get power-ups in a video game and was only supposed to be used for testing. That sequence eventually got loose and has become so famous as the Konami code that there are whole websites dedicated to that code. There's an example of trying to keep a secret that got loose. Deploying good security can be counterintuitive. In particular, attacks are generally a lot easier on a technical basis than you might think. Beyond that, you must defend everywhere, but the attacker need only find one problem in your system and have some patience to get in. By analogy, you need to build a strong fence all the way around an entire town to keep out people, but an attacker only needs to find one hole in the fence to wiggle through to get in.